decided I'm going to vlog tonight. This is 2 vlogs, so part 2 of yesterday. So if you did not see yesterday's vlog, well, click out of this one and go over there so you can see what I'm talking about. I am heading to my mom's right now. Have to make a pit stop at the gas station to get gas, and then I'm going to Target because I need a $10 grab bag gift of like something, and then also I need to get slippers. Apparently I don't have slippers. I have my hotel room slippers, you know, like my little slippy socks, but that's like the only slippers I have, and they're not clean because I just got home from my trip today, and so I haven't washed my stuff yet. And my camera's gonna die. Love that for me.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands.
The traffic right now is insane and I want to rip my hair out. There was an accident somewhere. They needed an ambulance and fire truck and police and everything trying to get through this traffic. No one knew what to do because we are literally gridlocked. It's nuts. I don't know what's going on. It's taken me 10 minutes to not even go a block. And I still have to go to Target and it's 5:18. And I have to be at my mom's by 6:30. So this sucks. And Waze is saying I'm not gonna get to Target until like 5:50. And Target is 2 miles up the road. If you could just picture that. Update. Still here. Good morning, and good morning, my floofs. Good morning, everyone. Merry Christmas Eve, as Phoebe Buffet would say. It is Christmas Eve, the 23rd, so, oh my gosh, I can't believe it's almost Christmas. Like I said in a couple of vlogs ago, it doesn't even feel like Christmas to me anymore because we already had our Christmas a few days ago. So hi. But today's an exciting day because I'm taking my mom to Universal. This is part of her Christmas gift and annual pass, so super excited to go with her tonight. I looked at wait times, super packed, but that's okay because now she's an annual pass holder and we can go back whenever we want. We just want to go to dinner tonight and do our elf gift. If you've been around for a while, you're probably wondering when we're doing the elf gift. If you're new here, you're probably like, what is an elf gift? So an elf gift originated in my family with my mom and I like 10 years ago. We were on a trip in Phoenix and we were on a trip over Christmas and we needed to have a Christmas gift, like have something to open, you know, on Christmas Eve, because Phoenix was like our Christmas gift to each other, like a little trip. And so we went to Walmart and we split up and we each spent $10 on each other, like a face mask, socks, whatever. It doesn't have to be anything, but it's not premeditated. And you go in and you buy something, you have 10 minutes, go back home or wherever you are and open your elf gift. Well, I started flying and I always work like Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, blah, 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 blah. So our elf gift is just usually whenever we can, closest to Christmas Eve as possible, which is today because it's the 23rd because I leave tomorrow for a trip. And so this year we're going to do it at Universal. So I have to look up all of the retail stores in Universal. We are amping our game up a little bit to from $10 to $20. So basically every other year, but the first year we put like Big Lots, Walmart, Target, Menards, Home Depot, CVS, Walgreens, and a hat and picked out a shop, and whatever store we got was where we would go and do our elf gift. But this year I'm gonna go and look up all the retail stores at Universal, write them all down. We'll draw a name out of the hat before we go to Universal. And that will be our elf gift. And because it's Universal and it's gonna be a little bit more expensive, our price point is $20 this year, but that's okay because it's Universal and this is a special event. So hopefully we can see Grinchmas, because that's kind of why we're going. Eddie and I did that a couple weeks ago, as you guys know, and my mom really wants to see that. I watched The Grinch last night. It's finally back on Peacock, so I was super excited, and I watched it last night when I came home. Got home around midnight, and then fell asleep on the couch with the floofs, and then we went upstairs to bed at like 3 o'clock. So, but I am doing all my pre-work stuff today instead of tomorrow, since today we're going to Universal and then tomorrow my flight isn't until like 9 p.m. But I don't really want to do anything tomorrow. I want to veg, because the last 2 days I've been home, I've been like on the go. So I ordered groceries for delivery for tomorrow from Kroger. Those are coming tomorrow between 11 and noon, so I don't have to go out and experience crazy Christmas Eve-ness. And then yeah, I'm doing my laundry now. I'm cleaning right now too, so that way tomorrow when I wake up, I can just relax until I go to work, because I get the Monday scaries every time before I commute. Like, it's just a thing. I feel like, or Sunday scaries, or whatever people call it when they have a 9 to 5 Monday through Friday job. It's Sunday scaries because you're going back to work, and it's a real thing. Somebody in my life, Eddie, says it's not a real thing, but it's a real thing to me. So comment down below if you think Sunday scaries are a real thing, because I want to prove him wrong. Sorry. Okay, I love Emily from TikTok, the salmon girl. If you know, you know. She makes salmon rice, and she puts an avocado in it, and then she makes the Kewpie mayo and the sriracha and all the good stuff. Well, I had ham from last night that I just used in my new air fryer oven, so I put that in there, and then I made some rice. So here's the rice, and then here's the ham. I have the Kewpie mayo and I have sriracha, and I'm just gonna make that in lieu of the salmon, because I don't have salmon and I don't have an avocado. But this is better than nothing, and it's so delicious. I love doing that. But yeah, so we're gonna assemble. You know, I have sriracha. I don't know, is this a thumbnail? Who knows? When I edit, we'll see. Okay, so got this rice, and we're gonna put the honey ham. So it's gonna be like, ooh, that's juicy. This, I'm telling you, this beautiful oven that I got from Walmart, it's from Walmart, but I got it for Christmas. It's literally the best thing ever. It does everything you want it to. I cooked this ham in like 4 minutes, and it's super hot, and it's still juicy. I feel like when you put it in the microwave, like leftovers, it like dries it out, you know? This didn't do that, so that's awesome. Then we're gonna get the sriracha. Ooh, get her on there real good. Okay, so that looks absolutely delicious. There she is. My off-brand Emily salmon TikTok recipe. We're gonna try this. Hi, Sylvie Pop. We're gonna try this. I hope it's good. I mean, I'm sure it will be. It's like flavorful, you know. Anything with sriracha at this point is just good. That's bomb. The honey ham, the flavor is like making it spicy and sweet. I'm sorry I'm talking with my mouth open, but oh my god. Of course I have a Celsius. Okay, so I'm watching Emily in Paris, season 1, recapping it. I started it a few weeks ago and I'm almost done. I watched it when it first came out, but I need to watch season 2. Have any of you seen season 2 yet? Is it good? Also, the Lucy Ricardo movie is out with Nicole Kidman on Amazon Prime. And I was reading the reviews and they said that it's not very good. So that's really upsetting because I am a huge I Love Lucy fan. So I don't know. I'm really gonna be upset if they done messed that up. All right, let's watch Emily in Paris. Okay guys, I'm gonna go upstairs and clean up the bedroom. Sorry, you're gonna be dark for a second. And finish doing all this stuff because it is blurry. It is 1:30 and I wanna be sure that I get everything done by 3 o'clock when my mom comes, and I have like an hour and a half. So I have to do all this stuff and get ready to go to Universal. Universal is going to be a separate vlog. It's gonna go up tomorrow for day 24, Christmas Eve. It's going to be Universal with my mom and our elf gift and everything. I also have to do that. I have to see literally no one cares. I'm not kidding. Stop. Mama? So anyway, day 24 is going to be Universal with my mom, and then tomorrow is going to be like me packing and everything, getting ready, and we're going to talk about what the future of this channel holds in 2022 and all that fun stuff. So without further ado, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Kind of all over the place because it was like 2 days in one, but I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.